All right, so I am losing my voice here, but I still wanted to go ahead and record one of these. So we're at another challenge here, and basically we're just reviewing the map method, which I have done videos on and I've reviewed plenty of times, so it shouldn't be too difficult. So the first thing is, given an array of numbers, return an array of each number squared. So I kind of tried that here, and what I got back was this. So I multiplied it by 2, and I'm sure that's not how you actually square numbers. So I looked something up and use math.pow. So I guess I can use that instead. So equals math.pow number. And let's see if that works. Nope, it didn't work. So let's see here. Math.pow function. Okay, let's see how to use math.pow number. And then I have to say what we want it to be squared by. I don't know if that's... Okay, yeah, that's exactly what he wanted. So basically what's happening here... Oh, my nephew's screaming. Basically what's happening here is that we're putting a variable called num squared, which is just this array right here. And we're mapping over this array. So that means we are going to iterate over each and every single element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what we're going to do with that is that we are going to take each element and take it and put it to the power of 2. So we're going to square it. So each element, 1, will get passed through here and it'll get squared. And 1 times 1 is still 1. And then it'll move on. 2 squared will be 4, etc., etc. So we're iterating over all of these numbers and squaring each of them. Let's try this one here. Given an array of strings, return an array where the first letter of each string is capitalized. So I've done this in the past. So capitalized names equals, and then we'll take the names and we'll map over the names. And then we can go ahead and say name. And how would we capitalize each first letter? I think what we would have to do here, first of all, let me look this up. So how to capitalize first letter of string. So to uppercase, so character at. So I remember how to do this now. So name dot character at, and we'll choose the first letter. So that's going to be 0. And then I'm going to say dot to uppercase, and that's going to be the function. And when I console.log capitalize names, we should get it. Okay, I didn't return the rest of the string. And let me see how to return the rest of the string. I kind of forgot how to do that. I have it in my notes. K to uppercase. And then capitalize the first letter of each word in the string. Nope. Character at, not to uppercase. Ooh, I forgot how to do that, but I have notes on it. I know I have notes on it. How to capitalize the first letter and return the rest of the word in JavaScript. Capitalize the first letter of the string. Okay, this isn't what I'm looking for here. No. Because what's happening, we're getting A, B, C, D, but we're not getting the rest of the string because we're just saying character at. 0 to uppercase is that function, and I have something that will fix that, but I want to see. Okay, let's say plus, and let's say name. So plus name. Oh no, ah, dang it. You know, I'm gonna look back at my old notes. I know I have this somewhere. I know I do. So, I think we have this in functions, don't I? Arrays and sets. Oof. This is gonna be rough. Hold on. You know what? I think I have this somewhere else too, stored. Because I've done something really similar to this. So let me go to, excuse me, let me go to JS Fiddle. Because I've played around in Code Playgrounds a lot, and I know I have that in there. So we can sign in. Ah, dang it. I don't want to do my login on video. Ah, come on. Okay, we'll just try to figure it out. So just be logical about it. So basically what's happening now, let me see what happens if I do that. So we get A Alice. So if we do this, we get AA. Okay, so that's a step forward. So now we're getting A Alice. So maybe what I just need to do is slice 0 to 1. No. Slice 1 to 1. No. But if I slice 0 to 2, then we get that. Or, okay. Oh man, let me see. Capitalize the first letter of a string. I can't believe I forgot how to do that. Okay, let's see. So character at 0, of course, and the output is F to uppercase is going to be that. Slice. Let me see. So slice 1. So if I go here and say name dot slice 1 plus, see what we get here. Oh no, then we're getting it backwards. Okay, so that does something. Okay, so we get, this is what we're looking for here. So we go character at 0, but that wasn't working when we were doing that. Let's see, go back. Plus name dot slice 1. We're not getting the answer when I do that. Oh, we do get the answer. I thought I tried that. Okay, so yeah, we're just slicing out this first letter, and then we're iterating over each name, and we're basically capitalizing the first letter, so A, B, C, and D, and then we're converting it to uppercase, and this makes a whole new string. So before, when we were doing this, it was just getting A, B, C, D. We're getting a whole string back, so now it's like that, and that's the second challenge. Let's go on to the third. Given an array of strings, return an array of strings that wraps each of the original strings in an HTML like p tag. Okay, return, okay. So let's say const Pokemon P. I don't even know what I should name that. We are going to take Pokemon. We're going to map over it. And then we're going to see each Poke. And we are going to say, let's see here. So each Pokemon, we want to, oh, what is that? Let's see if this works. We're going to take each Poke. Oh no, that did not work. Because we have to return each Poke. Let me console.log this and see what's going on. Yeah, oh no. So what I'll have to do is take my template literal strings, get my Pokemon, and now we get all of our Pokemon. So Bulbasaur, Charmander, and Squirtle, and they're all wrapped inside of these P. So I think that's correct. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything because I always miss something. Nope, I think that's pretty much it for the challenge. I don't know why this one gave me such a hard time. It was, yeah, I just don't know why. But I think that's pretty much it. Just wanted to do this challenge live.